Hi there! Welcome to Let's Connect. My name is Ricardo Santos and I am your host.
Let's Connect with Ricardo Santos.
Let's Connect is a series of conversations, two-way conversations, where we're going to talk about Industry 4.0, automation and controls, process analytics, advanced analytics, all about Industry 4.0 in manufacturing and how to build that foundation, how to build the base down there in the production floor. This is episode number 0, introduction. This is how it works. It's a two-way conversations where I'm going to choose a topic on that week to talk about it, okay? So let me know down here in the comments or send me a DM on what do you want to talk about, right? What do you want to hear about it? What do you want us to start this conversation, okay? I'm going to choose a topic once a week or bi-weekly where we're going to talk about it, okay? So in the beginning of the week, I post this video here on LinkedIn and YouTube, okay? So if you're not following us, go on LinkedIn, follow our page, 𝐶𝐞𝐭'𝐬 Smart Factory Solutions, the same on LinkedIn and YouTube. And a few days later, we're gonna go with Let's Connect Live, okay? Let's Connect Live is a face live stream, very selfie format, okay? Where I'm going to read your comments on this video, and a few days later, I'm going to choose the best questions, okay? I'm gonna choose a few questions here and there. So if you want me to read your comments on the live stream, just let me know, put your comments down here. Maybe I'll call your name in there. And if you don't wanna me to call your name, if you want it to be anonymous, just send me a DM, say, hey, I want you to ask this question. I don't feel comfortable exposing my name, but I would love for you to talk about this, okay? So let's start this conversation. Let's make it a two-way conversation. And here's what we do. I am going to teach you some of these techniques. All right, so I've been doing this for almost 20 years. Automation and controls, advanced process controls. Since 2019, I've been into smart manufacturing, Industry 4.0 technologies, digital transformation, and I am going to share with you all my experience. I'm gonna give it to you, all the techniques that I use. Let's start this movement. Let's share this knowledge, okay? So the more we do it, so the more we start this movement, the stronger we're gonna be together. And I wanna share all of this with you. So let me know down here in the comments, what do you want to listen about? What do you want me to talk about? I am the Industry 4.0 facilitator. So if you don't know how to start on what to do, let me know. I can connect you with the right people. That's why let's connect. Like I said, a two-way conversation, something here, you know, very casual. Don't need to be too formal. We're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about that, you know, AI, analytics, or just, hey, how can I make my HMI more meaningful, right? So how can I get this data that is all disconnected, transform into information? How can I transform this information to knowledge and wisdom, okay? I can walk you through step by step. I can teach you all that. So are you ready? Come with me in this journey, all right? Participate, comment down, let me know what you think. If you have some good feedback, negative feedback, I don't care. Let me know. Like I said, it's a two-way conversation. Just let me know what you want to talk about and we will do it. I'm here to stay. My name is Ricardo Santos with 𝐶𝐞𝐭'𝐬 Smart Factory Solutions, and I'm the Industry 4.0 facilitator. I can connect you with whoever you need. I'm here to help you and protect your best interest. All right, so see you next time. Let me know what you think and be ready. This is just episode number 0. This is the introduction, all right? So in about a week or two, you'll see the actual video, the first episode. So let's engage, let's talk about it, let's make it happen. And I am here full of energy to engage with you to make this happen, all right? So see you next time. Take care.
𝐶𝐞𝐭'𝐬 Smart Factory Solutions.